Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain Monopoly Go Heist strategy. The process is very easy. You just have to watch the video till the end and do not skip any part of it so you do not miss out on any information. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, you can see there's this icon of Monopoly Go on my screen. I will click it. After I click it, I come to this home page of mine and I have to land on railroad tiles to start my heist. Once I land on them, I will come back. Here you can see I have landed on a railroad tile and now I can start my heist. You can see that I have to match 3 to steal, and the largest heist will be when I match 3. Here you can see I have hit the large heist and now I can collect the money that I have stolen from my opponent. Basically, in the heist there is no such big strategy. You just have to collaborate rather than being an opponent. I hope you liked the video and understood the process. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.